Srimannarayana. 40th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Nantosti mama divyanam vibhutinam parantapa एषतुद्देशतः प्रोक्तः विभूतेः विस्तरो मया ॐ. Realize that there is no limit to Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine glories. Understand that whatever now you have heard from Sri Krishna Paramatma through this Bhagavad Gita is a very brief expression of entire of his glory. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines, which is going to be the most effective puja for the day. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall realize that there is no limit to your divine glory. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I understand that whatever that I have heard from you through this Bhagavad Gita about your glory is a very brief expression of entire of your divine effulgence. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 150th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Narada Maharshi was completely ignored by Nalakubara Manigriva. And in order to correct Nalakubara and Manigriva, Narada Maharshi, out of his compassion, he wanted to give one curse to them. and saying like this, Narada Maharshi saying, because of the arrogance coming out from the wealth, the people will totally lose control over their senses. And then, hanyante pasavo yatra nirdayaihi ajitatmabhihi. They wanted to have so many pleasures. And in order to enjoy these mundane pleasures and keep their body also very happy, they will even kill all innocent animals. Cruelly they kill innocent animals and then they will eat that. They think that they would never get diseases. They think that they would never get died. That is how they will be behaving. And sometimes, even for pleasure, they will kill animals. So, Deva Saugitamapi Ante, even the people who are in big positions, even Devatas, at some point, they will have to depart from their body. Then that body will be totally gone bad, or it will become ashes. These people who have that arrogance of wealth will never realize these facts, and they will be killing innocent animals, and they don't even know what would be the consequence. But definitely they will be going to Narakam, and they will go through severe grief. They will have to experience severe amount of grief for all the sins that they have committed. Like that Narada Maharshi saying. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, 40th sloka. Nantosti mama divyanam vibhutinam parantapa yeshatu desatah proktaha vibhuter vistaro maya. Nantosti mama divyanam vibhutinam parantapa yeshatu desatah proktaha vibhuter vistaro maya. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.